Hello fun and learn student of class 8th. In this video we will start our chapter 8 and the chapter name is Europe Resources. So in previous chapters we have studied the political and the physical feature of Europe, and now in this chapter we will discuss Europe and its resources. So let's start this chapter. Europe is the first continent in the world to develop an economy based on commercial, agriculture and modern industries. So, on commercial agriculture and on modern industries, Europe have developed an economy of that scale. So, Europe has been gifted with a large variety of natural resources such as fertile soil, that it has fertile soil, water, forests, livestock, fishing grounds and minerals. So, on the basis of these important parameters, Europe have developed its industries. So you will find the industry on water resources, forests, livestock includes these all. You will find the industry-based, economy-based Europe. So Europeans have explored and utilized these resources using the most modern scientific method. So they have developed this scientific method, and on using by that scientific method they have developed their industries. So now come to the water. So water is very rich in water resources. That is, Europe has got plenty of waters. There is no shortage of water. So they are used, basically water is used to generate hydroelectricity in mountainous areas. Many European rivers are interconnected by canals. Europe have these rivers, so they are interconnected by canals, and they are used for navigation and transportation of goods. These are used. Water is used basically for hydroelectricity and transportation and navigation activity. So this is your water. Now let's come to the soil. So soil type varies from one part of Europe to another. That is, it varies. So what are different types of soil? Number one, frozen soil, also called permafrost. It is found in the northern part, especially in Iceland and parts of the Russia, Finland, and Sweden and Norway, where there is extreme cold conditions. These are found there. Next is your podzol soil, is found in the taiga forest belt, which we have studied in the previous chapter. Next is your brown forest soil, which is rich in humus, is very found in central Russia, UK, Ireland, and the Alps and Balkan mountains. Next is your alluvial soil, is found in the plains and river valleys. Next is your black soil, which is called Chernozem, is found in steppe grassland in Russia and Ukraine. Next is your bright red soil, which is also called terra rosa. It is found in the valleys in the southern Europe. And last is your volcanic ash soil. It is formed due to volcanic activities, and it's basically found in Iceland and the parts of the France, Italy and Romania. So this was the soil and its type. So we have seen water and soil. Next is your forest. So about 25% of the total area of Europe is under the coniferous and deciduous forest cover, which we have studied in the previous chapter. So coniferous forests are found in extensive areas in northern Europe like Norway, Sweden, Finland and Russia. And the soft wood that is found from here is used to make furniture, and they also provide wood pulp for paper industry. And logging and lumbering are carried out in these forests. So planted forests are usually found in areas unsuitable for agriculture. That is your deciduous forest. So what we have studied is your coniferous forest and deciduous forest. So we have seen water, soil and forest. In next video we will discuss other important topic of this chapter. Thank you, students.